Hello, my name is Pauletta Newcomb, and this is my presentation on mental health and its relation to the coronavirus. First, let's discuss the social science connected to mental health. Psychology. Psychology is the study of individuals' behavior of others. And like mental health, psychology affects the emotion, memory, perception, and intelligence. Socialization and environment is a big factor in both of these. Now let's look at the societal and global challenges. As a whole, President Trump and CDC are recognizing mental health as a problem related to the COVID-19. The mental health is declining, and as a result, parents are committing suicide, leaving children more at risk for themselves. Suicide and abuse rates rise through this pandemic, but these issues aren't just here. Britain is seeing rises in suicide related to isolation for the coronavirus, and in Wuhan, China, people are fearful for reaching out for mental health. Because of this, the mental effects of this pandemic will be with us for months and potentially even years. But how is the isolation affecting us? The factors within this is going to be the financial instability, the isolation, stress, interpersonal conflicts, the existing health problems, fear of death, and loss of sense of purpose, and feeling alienated. All of these play a significant role in our mental health. It is not a debatable matter that our mental health is an issue, but it's not all negative. Different perspectives say that this can be beneficial to alleviate all of the unnecessary things in our lives, spend more quality time with family and loved ones, make the most of the peace going on where you don't have to worry about what all is happening around you. Some people's mental health is actually improving throughout this, and one thing to remember is that you can control your mind. I knew things weren't good, and overall mental health was an issue. But after research, I've learned that it's not all bad and things can be positive. Before I knew there was a problem, I was hearing personal stories and watching suicide rates rise around me. But after doing research, I realized that it is a problem, but there's a solution to that problem. When you hear brighter stories about people overcoming their mental health because they have removed themselves from society, it really makes you want to look at the brighter side. Thank you.